Yes, yes, yes. Welcome. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Thank you for stopping by. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm a full-time trader and I swing trade the crypto market. I've been basically doing this for 10 years plus, okay? For you guys that's new to my channel, welcome. And what I do is I basically look at the charts, look for certain patterns on the charts, and take trades. So I do this full time. I do this Monday through Friday, and I basically day trade the futures market and I swing trade the crypto market. Okay, and on my channel, I tell people that to me it's best to look at the chart because the charts will tell you everything that you will need. Okay, it's basically the numbers. Numbers don't lie. So ever since March, we've been going down. Well, not I would say ever since January we've been going down, but ever since March, I would say we confirmed, right? We was basically in the bear market, and we just been going down ever since then. Okay, so me and my subscribers pretty much been making money, and that's what my channel is about right now. We are about learning how to read the market, learning how to take advantage of what's going on, and so we don't have to suffer. Because right now, a lot of people are suffering. They are not willing to change. They are not willing to change the way they think. So ever since January, they are suffering. Okay, and I'm here to tell you that you don't have to suffer. You don't. You can actually figure out what's really going on and basically take advantage. So let's get this party started. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. And if you do want to learn about how to make money from doing just basically reading the charts, this is definitely a channel for you. So hit the subscribe button. Thank you for joining me today. And if you are watching the replay, what you can do is go to settings, hit speed, and hit either 1.5 or 2, and you can speed this bad boy up. Because some of my streams is actually going to be maybe an hour, so you can speed that baby up. So thanks for everybody for coming in. Let me see who's in the chat room. Let's see who's in the chat room. What's going on, Nick? What's going on, Lars? What's going on, Craig? Craig said, hi, Big Bear. I hear that, man. Giving the truth. What's going on, Ricardo? What's going on, Left Lane? What's going on, Bambino? What's going on, David? What's going on, Glenn? Omar? Rich? All right. So, if you are here so far, you can hit the like button. And yeah, so basically, if you are new to my channel, I'm not a bear. I'm a professional. Okay, I look at things a little bit differently. So I just don't fall in love with a certain direction. Of course, I like cryptos. I like the whole idea, the whole concept. But at the same time, I don't fall in love because I understand life. I understand the markets. I understand cycles. I understand volatility. Okay, anything that's very volatile, it has a higher chance to go the opposite way, right? So right now, if you look at Bitcoin, okay, last year we've been going crazy. It was going up like crazy. So this market is a very volatile market. So you can't expect a market to be volatile and just go in one direction. If it's volatile in the up direction, then it's a strong possibility it's going to be volatile when it goes down too. So we are experiencing a bear market. Unfortunately, a lot of people are losing money. Unfortunately, a lot of people can't really understand what's really going on. I have 10 years of experience, so I can see things a little bit better than most people. And so, it is what it is. I try to warn people. I try to say, hey, guys, man, there's another way, right? You can have multiple strategies in place. You don't have to just buy and hold. You can actually have multiple strategies while you're waiting for the bulls, okay? Because we don't know when this bear market is going to finish. Everybody's saying this is a triple bottom, but just from my experience, I understand that timing a bottom in a bear market is probably the most hardest thing to do. Same thing, vice versa. If you try to time a top in a bull market, that's the hardest thing to do. Like for an example, if you go to the stock market right now, right? Go look at the stock market. I know a lot of people been basically trying to time the bottom. I mean, time the top on that bull run. All right, well, the stock market. It's very hard to time tops. It's very hard to time bottoms. I know a person that was basically short the market last year, and you know he had to get out because he was trying to time the top. Okay, so it's very hard to time tops, time bottoms. Be careful. Don't listen to these YouTubers. They don't know nothing. They just a YouTuber for a reason, right? They just make videos and they don't do this full time. They don't do this for a living. Okay, so be careful trying to time bottoms. It's a hard game. It's a very dangerous game. Okay, so let's go back to the chat room. Let's see what's going on. David, Glenn, Sean, what's going on? Sean, what's going on? Travis. All right, what's going on? Yakov. What's going on? Shade Tree. Shade Tree said he's loving the course. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel, Shade Tree. Shade Tree is actually loving the course. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. I appreciate you for supporting the channel too at the same time. Is this what Sean said? Is this what they call a triple bottom? Yes, Sean, this is what they call a triple bottom, you know. But at the same time, it's I tell you guys all the time, anything that's too obvious in a bear market, it's a 98% chance it will fail because it's too obvious. I told you guys that a lot of people just don't get it. All right, this market is designed to take your money, right? Even though it's the crypto world, it's designed to take your money. So just learn how the market works. So let's go back to the chat room. What's going on? 9/11. What's going on? Embracing fear. What's going on? Rich and Keith. What's going on? How you doing, Keith? Good to see you here, Keith. What's going on, Randy? What's going on, Richard? So let's go to see if I see any questions. Let me see. Embracer said, how many pips do you think you going to go for trading cryptos? What do you mean by that, Embracing? Basically, when I get in, I'm looking for either a 2x or 3x or 5x. I don't usually go by the number of ticks or pips. So let's see if I see another question. So you said, Craig said, Charlie Lee said in December, don't be surprised if Litecoin, when Charlie Lee said that, Craig, when he said that, because I remember last year he said something like that, but I don't know lately. Let me see. So Miguel said it's weird that BTC just went down and then went back up in a couple of minutes. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that, Craig? It went down and went up. That's how the market works. And you know, we have a bull candle right here. So I told you guys this. All right, this is what a couple of things could actually happen when we. A couple of things could actually happen, okay? A couple of things could actually happen with this situation. So we can get a double top here. So the market could go, you know, it went down. It could go back up, do a double top here, and then go right back down. Or we can break up to the top and probably test either 77, find resistance, and probably go back down. Okay, those are the two scenarios right now. Or this thing could be so weak that it just roll over, and we'll never see no double top or no nothing. So let me go back to the chat room and shout out to every. Left Lane said from the last live, I'm up just 80. Oh, you up? So the last live, you up $811. Left lane. What did you short? What crypto did you short? Yeah, Craig. Yes. Charlie Lee said in December, Litecoin could actually drop to like $20. So Sean said, does this triple bottom indicate the bulls is on his way? What do you mean by that, Sean? This triple bottom right here doesn't mean anything. It's impossible to tell if the bulls is on his way. So that's why I laugh at people when they claim that, you know, this is the bottom, and they don't know. Nobody knows the bottom, okay? But what I can tell you is, in a bear market, it's very, very hard to time the bottom. That's what I can tell you. Anything that's too obvious has a 98% chance of failing. So let me go back to the chat room and see what's going on here. I'm reading these comments. So Ben, you said David said Ben, is us here or is Ben is us here in the joint? Someone in your chat room told me you didn't really know what you were talking about. That the market was going to go in a bull run, but you told us to be careful. So shout out to Davis. David said that somebody in the chat room told him that I don't know what I'm talking about. The market is going to be we're gonna have a bull run, and I told y'all to be careful. So number one, if someone says that I don't know what I'm talking about, then number one, they probably haven't been following me ever since day one. Okay, they haven't been following me since day one. I come on here countless times telling you what's going on, and you guys know that by now you should know that I know what I'm talking about. Let me see. You said does it affect Keith? You said does it affect cryptos in any way? Nah, I don't think so. What's going on, MK? So Mama Rose said the market is confusing. It goes up, it goes down, then up. Mama Rose, did you have my course? Mama Rose, you have my course, right? Mama Rose? Mama Rose, you have my course, right? This market is not confusing, guys. Let me erase this real quick, because some of you guys saying that this is confusing. How this is confusing? The market is not confusing. What is confusing is what you're probably looking at is these short-term pullbacks. Okay, guys, this market is not confusing. Okay, so Mama Ro, if you got my course, then you know that this is not confusing, Mama Ro. You know that we are below the moving average. I don't know. Let me see what moving average is 50. So we are below the moving average, right? The market is trending down, and that's what it is, Mama Ro. That's what it is. The market is pointing down. This is nothing confusing about this. Okay, let me draw this red line real quick. You see how the market is pointing down? Nothing confusing about this. You're looking at these little pullbacks. Forget about these little pullbacks. That's what the market does. The market is going to have pullbacks. Okay, So don't get confused when you see the market go up and then goes back, goes down and goes back up. That's how the market shakes out a lot of people, because people get confused and trying to figure out, oh my gosh, you know, one way I see a green candle and then next time I see a red candle. It's nothing confusing, guys. Just stick with the major trend and you'll be okay. Okay, stick with the major trend. Forget about pullbacks. Okay, forget about pullbacks. People think that pullbacks are what do you call that? Uptrends, right? People say, oh, what about this uptrend? This is not an uptrend. It's just a pullback. Okay. Sometimes you have small pullbacks. Sometimes you have big pullbacks. Like right here, for example, right? We had a big pullback right here in February, but we went right back down. Okay. We had another big pullback right here. This is around April, but we went back down. And then you have these little pullbacks. Let me zoom in a little bit. We have these little pullbacks in between. So don't let pullbacks mess up your brain. Okay, this is just pullbacks. You focus on the major direction. The major direction is down. Okay, this is just that simple. This is why a lot of people can't do this full time, because they focus on these little pullbacks, and they say, "Oh, the market's going to reverse." But people said the market is going to reverse back in January. So let me go back and let's see what's going on. So Embracing, do you have my Embracing? Do you have my course, Embracing? Embracing, do you have my course? Travis, no big candles in this drop. The big players, yes. Johnny said, Ben, any idea? BTC up or down? Johnny, right now I'm playing the downside, okay? So are you new to my channel, Johnny? Johnny, are you new to my channel? Right now, the market is down. It's just what it is. I'm not saying that because I'm a bear. I'm not saying that because I hate cryptocurrencies. I'm not saying that because I'm anti-bullish. People think that I'm anti-bullish. No, I'm on the same team that you guys in. People think I'm picking a side. I'm not picking a side. Most people don't understand how professional traders how they actually make money. I don't pick a side, guys. I'm on the same side you on. Okay, so let's say that for fun, let's say that this thing reversed and turn bullish again. Guess what, guys? I'm buying the market. I don't say, oh my gosh, it's going up. I ain't gonna buy this thing. You know, I'm a bear. I'm a full-time bear. No, I don't say that. In order for me to be a professional, continue to make money consistently, I have to go along with the direction. So the direction right now, the major, understand my key words, major, that's a key word, direction. The major direction is down. It's pointing down. I don't care about these little pullbacks. I don't care about none of this stuff. We've been having pullbacks ever since January. And I don't want you guys to get confused what a pullback and an uptrend is, okay? We've been having pullbacks ever since January, okay? That's how the market works. Just like last year, we had pullbacks and these uptrends, okay? If you didn't know better, you would think the market was going to reverse and it continue to go back up. We have pullbacks. It's just what it is. That's how the market works. It just don't go down in a straight line, okay, guys? But you focus on a major trend, and that's it. So let me go back to the chat room. So John, yes, right now we are in the bear market, and that's what it is. Oh boy, so I'm trying to figure out. Somebody said they made $800 and 11. This is getting crazy. So Left Lane, you made $800. Let me see. I'm trying to figure out. Left Lane made $800. Okay, so Left Lane made $800 and $11, guys. Okay, let me hit that cha-ching button for him. And this is what I'm talking about, guys. I come here all the time. People get mad at me when I tell them, guys, I don't control the market. I wish I controlled the market, but I don't. It was up to me. I told you I would reverse this market so you guys could get back your money. I don't control this market. I'm just a professional that looks to make money, whether the market goes up or down. Okay. So when I've been going on live on my stream, a lot of people have been hating that I'm saying that we are in a bear market. I'm not saying that stuff to sound smart or anything like that. I'm saying this because I've been doing this for 10 years plus. Okay. And you see that my students is basically making money. So shout out to Left Lane. He actually make $800 and $811. So shout out to him, man. I'm glad to see you making this money. Let me go back to see what's going on in this chat room. And this is what I do, guys. For you guys that's looking at this replay, if you don't like me answering questions, then so be it. This is what I do. I interact with the people that's in my chat. I answer questions because they can be doing something else, right? They can be looking at TV or doing anything, and I'd rather take my time and answer these guys' questions instead of just babbling about the chart. Okay, we will get to the charts, but also to me is very good to answer questions while they're here. So let's go back. So shout out to Left Lane. He made $800 on the Bitcoin. Let me see who else going. So let me see. Roger said a lot of support at 63.25. Yes, it's support right here. It's support. Actually, the support right here is. So since we broke this trend line, yes, it's support right here. But at the same time, the major trend is down. So I don't really care about support levels while we're going down. Even if this thing reverse and goes back to 77, I still don't care, okay? Because I know the major trend. This is what I do. I focus on a major trend. That's it. The same way last year we was going up, I focused on strictly buying. That's it. I didn't try to sell anything. You didn't hear me saying, yo, guys, yo, we should be selling this market. You didn't hear me say none of that stuff. Oh, so let me go back. What's going on, 45? Good to see you here. 45 said, I made some money around 450 by shorting BTC. Charlie Lee stepson like oh man, I'm still learning, but your course is legit making that money. So shout out to Charlie Lee and shout out to everybody that got the course and start making money. If you don't know what he's talking about, they're talking about this course right here. If you give me a second, I will give this discount, what I usually do during this live stream. So this give me 5 to 10 minutes. I will give a discount for the people that didn't get this course yet. Basically, 45 is talking about this course. He's making money, so he made $450. So shout out to 45. This is what I'm talking about, man. And people don't like when I shout out people during the live stream. They want me to look at the charts and talk about the charts all day. But I'm sorry, this is how I do my live streams. Okay, I interact with my viewers and I shout them out if they making money, because you have to understand, guys, the emails that I get is just crazy. People are losing $30,000, $40,000, $20,000. This is not chump change that people are losing. They emailing me and say, Ben, I'm losing my life savings. So when I see people are actually making money, right, I have to shout these guys out. If you don't like it or not, then that's up to you. You don't have to watch the stream, but I have to shout out people that's actually they basically changed the way they think, and now they're making money right now. They don't have to wait 2 to 3 years, right, to make money. Because ever since January, we've been going down. Nobody been making money if they buy and holding. So shout out to 45, man. That's what's up. I'm gonna copy and paste these testimonials. I'm gonna copy and paste these testimonials. Over here, we are making money, and that's what it counts. I hate when people say, "Oh, it's the technology," and bro, you are here to make money. Stop playing games, man. This is 2018. You don't have time for no games. We don't have time for that. We are here to make this money. So I'm reading these comments, guys. So give me a second, and I will get back to the chart. So Raw said, "Thanks, Ben, for opening my eyes. I made a little over $2 grand." Guys, see, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Right? This is what I'm talking about. Guys, Raw made a little over $2 grand today. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. This is why I continue when I come on my live streams. I read my comments on purpose. I don't do. Some people want me to just talk about the charts all day and teach them stuff. But first of all, if you got my course, you don't need me to be talking about the charts all day. Okay, you don't need me to talk. If you got this course, you don't need to be me to talk about the charts all day. Okay, that's why I go and read my comments, because number one, I try to answer questions, and number two, you have people that literally is making money, and like a month ago they was losing a lot of money, and they now starting to actually make money, and I have to acknowledge that and basically say, hey man, congratulations. So shout out to Raw. He made $2 grand today. That's what's up, man. I'm glad to hear that, Raw. I'm glad to hear that. I'm glad to hear that. You don't understand, because I have a lot of people that are very close-minded. They don't understand what's going on. They just want me to say things is going to the moon. And I mean, me personally, I can't say that. I can't say that. We've been going down ever since January. Why you want me to lie to you? Why do you want me to lie to you for? Okay? So shout out to Raw, man. He's making his bread, man. That's just what I'm talking about. Let me hit that cha-ching button. And shout out to everybody that's here. That's shout out to everybody that's here on the chat room tonight. Thank you for spending time with me. So let's go back. Raw said Ben B is spitting the truth, nothing but the truth. So shout out to Raw, man. Thanks a lot for supporting this channel. Thanks a lot for supporting this channel. I appreciate it. So all right. Leslie said Big Ben be spitting facts. So shout out to everybody, okay? Thanks for guys for coming through. So if you guys want to take advantage of this course, just give me like 10 minutes. I'll get you the discount. But basically, what's going on with BTC is there's no bias, okay? That's just what it is. There's no bias. Even if we bounce from here and go up, that doesn't mean anything, okay? But what this means is basically we have some strong support right here, and we have sellers come in. Okay, if you go back to let's go to the Bitcoin volume chart. If you go there, we had a nice little pop on what was it, July 4th. July 4th, we had this nice little big pop, and we should basically be up right now more than 6,800, or we should have went up more than 6,800. But that 6,800 is very a key support level, and ever since July 4th, basically the volume been dropping 3 billion, 3 billion, 3 billion. Okay, so basically what you see right now on this chart is just no bias. That's all you see. You see one person or one bot buying this market. That's why you see spikes. And every time, if you notice, every time it spikes up, we get a lot of selling after it. Okay, spikes up, selling, spikes up, sell. So these are not really real buys. and the volume is so low. There's no real buying. So guys, I'm not here to mess up your thinking, or try to make you depressed or anything like that. I'm just trying to give you the truth. Okay, I know some of you guys want me to either review ICOs or tell you, hey man, don't worry, things is going to the moon. I know you want me to say that, but I can't do that because we've been going down ever since January. So shout out to everybody that's here. Shout out to everybody that's here. So 7,000 right now, 68. This level right here, 6,800, is a very, very strong level. So Bitcoin has to break this level right here. If it doesn't break this level, then it's going to be hard for Bitcoin to reverse. It's going to be very hard for Bitcoin to reverse. So now what could happen is we could probably form a double top from right here. So you might see another push up, right? We might see another push up just to form a double top, maybe, and then probably go right back down. Don't be surprised if you see that. So that's good. That's the next thing I'm looking at right now. So you have to understand, guys, that the bear market is not that easy. Actually, investing itself is not that easy. A lot of people got lucky last year, and a lot of people got lucky overall in Bitcoin because it was so new. Anything that you get into on the ground, right, and you have a lot of people come in, of course you're going to make a lot of money. Anybody can make money. You don't have to be a genius, right? But when things start to settle and people start to take profits and things start to go right back down, that's when you start to see who's the real players and who really knows about investing, right? Because I see a lot of videos online. You can tell that people don't understand what's going on because they're telling you to buy the dips. They're telling you to be patient. They're telling you everything else but how to make this money right now. I don't see really nobody telling you, hey man, you can make this money right now. They're not showing you that. So I just took a sip of my cup, my juice. So let me go back to the chat room. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on with Litecoin. So Litecoin hit this nice little Litecoin hit this nice little channel that we had, and it's reacting nicely. This is why I laugh at people when they say, hey man, technical analysis don't work on cryptos. But I come on here time after time, like show these guys. So just be careful out here. Let's go to Tron. So Tron, so everybody is basically trying to pull back a little bit. Okay, that's how the market works. Let's go to Ethereum. So Ethereum, this is basically Ethereum broke this channel right here. You see how it broke it a little bit. This is why I tell people when price break channels, that doesn't mean anything. It just means that it broke it. Okay, so when price breaks a channel, what I want to see is a lot of momentum and maybe consolidation a little bit, and then another up move. Okay. Just because it broke it a little bit doesn't mean anything. So even though Ethereum broke this a little bit and just started to reverse. So be careful out here, guys. I mean, this market is brutal. This market doesn't care about you at all. Hey, what's going on, Crypto Inspo? Crypto Inspo is one of my students that's making his money out here. So shout out to Crypto Inspo. So thanks for everybody for coming through and joining me today during this live stream. So for the people that basically been asking me about the course, for the people that been asking me about this course, then let me let you guys take advantage of this discount so I can get back to the charts. So during this live stream, I basically give you guys a discount. So if you didn't get this course already, definitely take advantage of this, because when I get off a live, it's gonna go right back to 210. Okay, so when I get off this live stream, it's gonna go back to 210. If you go back, if you look at the chat room, you will see that people that got the course made money. Okay, we had 45 just said he made. Let me see what he said he made. 45 said he just made $400. I think either today or yesterday. Okay, and this is, I'm talking about today, like on this live stream. So you can scroll up and see that. Left Lane said he made $800 and $811 just because he got this course. So if you want to take advantage of this course, it will show you how to read the market, so you don't have to suffer. A lot of people are suffering right now. You don't have to suffer, guys. Life is not about suffering. Okay, it's about learning how things work, learning how life works. Because once you learn how life works, things become much easier, man. Why do you want to always be in pain? Why do you always want to be in pain, right? Why are you fighting against reality? Stop fighting against reality. Okay? You have a lot of people that don't have the luxury to fight against reality. You don't have the luxury to not understand what's going on, right? You have kids. You want your kids to do good, right? And even if you don't have kids, I'm quite sure that when you start to have kids, you want your kids to be in a good situation. So why are you continue to fight? Why you continue to fight against reality? Reality is telling me that, guys, we are in a bear market, and this thing could get ugly, and we could continue to go down for the rest of the year, or years with an S at the end. Because I told you guys, just look at history. When we crashed in 2013, it took 2 years just to create a bottom. It took another 3 years to go back to the top. Okay, so in total, 5 years to go back in the top. And this was a unregulated market, guys. This market is going to be regulated, and it could take more than 5 years. So why do you continue to suffer, be in pain, going to your 9 to 5, coming back home, right? Every day you come back home, you are in the same situation that you basically been in ever since January. You probably can't look at your wife, you probably can't look at your girlfriend or your kids, because you probably spend so much money, so much life, you put your life savings into this, that you don't know what to do. So why do you want to continue to suffer? Okay, have multiple strategies in place. I'm not telling you to sell all your crypto. If you don't want to do that, fine, I don't care. Okay, but at least you should have another strategy in place that allows you to continue to make money while you're waiting for this bull market. Because we don't know, nobody knows when's the bottom. Nobody knows the bottom. Okay, so stop listening to these stupid YouTubers. They don't know the bottom. I don't know the bottom. Nobody knows the bottom. Okay, so if you think this is the bottom, then you have a lot to learn. Okay, you have a lot to learn. So if you want to get this course, basically it will show you how to read this market. It will show you how to become a professional. A professional knows how to make money whether the market is going up or down. Okay, they have multiple strategies in place to take care of when they have a down year. Okay, so right now it's at 110. Let me copy and paste this link. Shout out to everybody that got the course already. I have a boatload of testimonials. Okay, a boatload of testimonials. People that's making money. 130, 400, 400, $50, 10%, $50, $400, 4K, $600, 200, 270. So if you want to get this course, if you want to learn how to make money now, then it's up to you. How much time? How many days you have to wake up in pain? Okay. So shout out to everybody that got the course. Shout out to everybody that's actually making money. Let me hit that cha-ching button for you. Shout out to everybody that's actually making this money, man, and willing to change the way they think. Because most people are not willing to change the way they think. They're so stubborn. So stubborn. Okay? And the great thing about this course, I told you guys, the great thing about this course is you can make money in the bull market and the bear market. It's just not just a bear market. Unfortunately, today we are in, I mean, right now we are in the bear market, but this is what it is. So let's go back to the chart. So right now, 4 hour, basically BTC. Let's go back. Let's see how that candle is looking. So we had this little up move. This is a lot of people saying, "Oh, how come the market is going down and then we see an up move?" First of all, number one, this is not considered an up move. Okay, so let's get that out of the way. This is just a green candle, guys. Stop looking at every little candle and saying an up move. First of all, we just had a down move. Okay, so let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you what I'm talking about, guys. We just had a down move, right? This is the down move right here. If you measure this down move and measure this one bar right here, who's in control? Is it this one green bar or this whole big seller that sold off? Okay, so stop looking at one green bar and saying, guys, we're going up. I can't believe it. So what could happen next? I told you guys a couple of things could happen right now. We can actually go back, maybe test this level again, test this high again, create like a double top and go down, or we might break out of this thing, right? We did a fake breakout and then we continue to go up, test this 68 level and break this 68 level and probably go to the 7,000 level or maybe the 777 level. That's you know, the scenarios. But I'm even if we go to 77 level, I'm still not bullish, because you have to understand, I follow the major trend. The major trend is down. We've been going down since January. Okay, for me to turn bullish, this thing has to go to 10,000. Not only go to 10,000, we have to hold that level, because every time we went to 10,000, we flopped, right? We went over. Sellers came in and start shorting the market. So we have to go back to 10,000, hold that level, and continue to go up. And until we do that, I'm not bullish. And not only that, you have to understand how bear markets work. It just don't reverse like that. It just don't go up and say, hey, you know, guys, this is over. We're about to go back to the moon. It doesn't work like that. I wish it did. I wish I could see you guys make your money, but it doesn't work like that. So let me go back to the chat room. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on in the chat room. And shout out to everybody that's here, new to my channel. Shout out to everybody. I'm glad to have you here. And for the guys that's watching the replay, if you don't like the style, my style of teaching, then you can definitely unsubscribe, because I will answer questions, and that's how I do things. I'm not going to just here teach and ignore the people that's in the chat room. I'm not going to do that. I will answer questions, and that's how I teach. So if you don't like that, you can definitely unsubscribe. I'm not here for views. If I was here for views, trust me, guys, I've been making moon videos since day one. Okay, I would try to make moon videos every single day. Hey guys, don't worry, we going to the moon. I would make moon videos every single day if I'm trying to get viewers. I'm trying to give you guys an opportunity to change your life, to make money, put money in your pocket, and not only that, just basically have you understand how the market works. So let's go back to the chat room. Shout out to everybody that's making his money in his chat room. Shout out to everybody that's making his money. It's very good to see that. It's very good to see that. Yeah! All day. So let's see if I see anything. Any questions? Crypto Inspo. Shout out to Crypto Inspo. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to 45 making his bread. Benjamin Townsend. Can you look at Icon? What's going on with Icon? Anything going on with Icon? Let's see what's going. Let's look at some more questions. Let me see. And shout out to everybody that's new. Benjamin, are you new to my channel, Benjamin? Are you new to my channel? So Benjamin wants me to look at Icon. Let me see if I can look at Icon for him. Let's see. Are you new to my channel, Benjamin? Smash the likes. Leslie says smash the likes. Shout out to Leslie. Smash the likes. Exactly, and that's what businessman understand how things work, right? He said even if I take a loss on a trade, I took a calculated risk. That means that's what being an entrepreneur is all about. Okay, it's very calculated. It's not I think this is going up, or I think this is what most people are doing right now. They buying this market because they think the market is going to reverse. Okay, they think, bro, you can't make money by thinking like that. It's got to be very calculated. You think these millionaires, these billionaires make millions because they think, they hope, they wish? Imagine me shorting this market because I think, I wish, I hope the market will reverse. No, I don't do that. I focus on how things work. That's why it's very good to study this market. So let's go to Icon. Someone asked me about Icon. Icon looks it looks like it definitely doesn't look good, actually. So shout out to Benjamin. He asked me about Icon. It doesn't look good. We're on a downtrend. Basically, you just have to understand how things work. Right now, you put that trend line here. Can it hit this trend line? Is a possibility. It's a possibility to hit this trend line. Then we have another channel in between. If you look at this, you have another channel going on right here. So man, things right now is just weak, Benjamin. It's just weak. That's how I wish I can say bulls was here and they buying up this market, but how can I say that when we see red bars throughout the whole charts? So let's go back to Trev said you made $4. Trev said I made $4. Let me hear that cha-ching. That's funny. I hit you up that ching ching. What's his name, Trev? Let me hit Trev for that ching ching. Trev said he made $4. He wanted to hit that cha ching button. Oh man, I hear that, man. Tino said no one on YouTube speaks more truth than Big Ben. Shout out to Tino, man. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. So Torrance said I got the course and I made $125 off of TFD. So let me copy and paste this testimonial. So shout out to Torrance, right? He said he made $125. Oh, he said my bad. It was $225. So he made $225. $225 Friday off of he said TFD. Okay. Shout out to him. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him, okay? He got this course. This course is actually making a lot of people money. So if you don't have it, definitely check it out. Right now, like I said, it's 50% off. It's a steal right now. Like I said, I should be charging $400. So I'm gonna copy and paste that link for everybody that don't have it. So shout out to Torrance. He basically making he made $225 on Friday. And some people don't like when I shout out people that's making money. I can't believe it, man. Some people don't like me shouting out people that's making money. Why would you not like me shouting out people that's actually making money in a down market? Okay, let's be for real. Why are you hating on people that's actually making money while we are in a bear market? Does that make any sense? I will continue to shout out people that's making money during the bear market. Let me see. Let's go back. So Crypto Inspo said, just wanted to say hi. I have to go back studying and grab some groceries. So remember, all right. So shout out to Crypto Inspo. He said, remember, place a proper stop loss. I will hear the stream later, guys. So shout out to Crypto Inspo. Shout out to Crypto Inspo. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good night. So Smooth said, you always defending yourself F the haters. Nah, I'm not defending myself at all. You have to understand the difference between defending myself and basically explaining what's really going on. Okay? So some of these haters, they don't understand what's going on. So I just explain to them what's really going on. I'm not defending myself at all. Let me see. Let's go back. Can we have some EOS chart, love? I want to buy the bottom. So Ray, are you new to my channel, Ray? Zachary said, you shorted? You shorted? Okay, that's what's up, Zachary. And you went long too. So shout out to Zachary. So let me see something. Somebody asked me something. Oh, EOS. So Ray is new to the building. Shout out to Ray. Welcome to my channel, Ray. Thanks a lot for coming through. So Ray, answer this question, Ray. Why are you looking to buy EOS? Why are you looking to buy EOS, Ray? What is telling you? What is this chart telling you? That it's a buy, and why do you think that this is the bottom? Because Ray, I'm trying to tell people, guys, that right now this doesn't look like a buyer's market. Okay, Ray, if you are new to my channel, then you don't know that me and my subscribers are making money to the downside because this is not a buyer's market. Okay, Ray. So Ray said, I love the tech. I understand that you love the trek. You said, I don't know nothing about the chart. Okay, so Ray, you said, so guys, Ray said he doesn't know the chart. He only knows the tech. Okay, Ray. So shout out to Ray, guys. Shout out to Ray. I'm glad that you're here because I know I'm not going to convince you the first day that you're here. But basically, Ray, well, put like this. I'm a professional, okay? I'm a professional. So what I do is I make money whether the market's going up or down, okay? I understand that you love the tech. I love the tech too. But Ray, let's keep it real for a second, Ray, okay? Let's keep it real. Let's keep it real for a second, Ray, okay? The money that we work for is hard-earned money, okay? So if you have a 9-to-5 and you work hard, even if you have a business, if you work hard, that's hard-earned money. Okay, so we want to protect that hard-earned money. So how can you protect that hard-earned money if if you don't know how things work. So a lot of people, when they come in this game, they love the tech. They say, yo, man, this tech is off the charts. Yes, I agree. Okay, I love the tech too. But I'm not going to throw away my hard-earned money that I spend years building just because I love the tech. Okay? I have to learn about the industry. That's why it's very important to learn how to read the charts, because the technology in the charts is two different things. Okay? Two different things, Ray. So Ray said, I own 250 coins, buy and hold, and not make more USD later. So Ray, that's the whole point that I'm basically trying to make, Ray. Most people, they buy and hold, they don't understand what's really going on. And matter of fact, let me ask you this, Ray. Let me ask you this real quick before I go to something else, okay? Do you want to do this full time, Ray? Do you want to make money full time by investing in cryptocurrencies? Answer yes or no. That's all you need to answer. Do you want to do this full time, Ray? Making money from cryptocurrencies full time. And when I mean by full time, I'm basically talking about consistently making money month after month. Okay, and you don't have to rely on your job. Just answer yes or no. Just please do not answer nothing crazy. Just say yes or no. Do you want to do this full time, Ray? So Ray says he doesn't want to make no money. Okay? So this is what I'm talking about, guys. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. You have people that say they don't want to make money, right? They don't want to make money, but they invest in their money. Does that make any sense, guys? Let's be real for a second. If you don't want to make money, how come you are investing into the technology then? Why you can't just be on the sidelines looking? So Ray, that means that you are lying to me, Ray. Ray, you are lying to me, Ray. That means that you are lying, because if you don't want to make money, why are you putting your money inside the cryptocurrencies? That doesn't make any sense. He said like Star Wars, I'm a collector. Come on, guys. Guys, do you believe Ray said like Star Wars, he's a collector? Do you really believe Ray he said that he's a collector and he doesn't want to make money? Come on, guys. Even if you collect Star Wars, you know that that thing could be worth a lot of money. But at the same time, if you invest in something, you looking for a return. Stop lying, Ray. You are looking for a return if you invest something. So Ray is trolling. A lot of people say Ray is trolling. So I'm gonna stop talking to Ray. So let's go back to the questions. So Ron said, I bought your course a month ago. Can't get it to download on my iPhone or Apple PC. Yes, you need WinRAR. So you need Ron, email me if you don't know what WinRAR is. Let me put my email address. Once you get that WinRAR, and I think it's called something different I don't have a Mac, so it's probably a different name for the Mac. Once you get that, you can open up all the files. So Ron, I just put my email. Email me right away, and email me right away, Ron, and I will get you all set up, because Mac is different. Mac is different. And okay, yeah, I know you have a Mac. Just email me, and I will give you the link that you will need. Okay, so shout out to Ron. Thanks Ron for thank you for supporting the channel, Ron. If you don't have this course, basically this is people actually making money from this course. If you don't have it, just check it out. You know, because Ray, I think they say Ray is trolling, so I can't really continue to talk to Ray, because I don't know any investor that actually put his hard-earned money. Listen to the words that I'm saying. Okay, hard-earned money. I don't know anybody that put their hard-earned money into something that is not looking for a return. Okay, I don't know anybody. Why would you do that? You might as well just go to another country and give away that money if you are looking to lose it. Okay, so stop lying to yourself and saying that you don't want a return. So shout out to everybody. If you want to actually become a professional, this is where it's at. This is where it's at. This is recession proof. I will show you how to make money in this market right now as we speak. You see the testimonies that I have. You can go up, look, testimonies like crazy. So Sell Black said, I bought and I used Dr. You hear that? He used Dr. Charva. So go get that, Sell Black. But at the same time, if you still can't get it, Ron, email me. So Dr. Uncover, get that. Let me see. Let's go back. So what exchange do you short on? MK Kush, you got this. Did you get this course? MK Kush is only $110. You have to get this because I can't keep on explaining things. The exchange I use is what do you call that? JaffX.com. This course will show you step by step. Okay, is right now it's 50% off. The original price is $210. So let's go back to the charts. Okay, so basically, a lot of people, right? A lot of people are when they come to investing, a lot of people just don't understand what's really going on. Okay, so like Ray said, he's here for the tech, whatever the case is. Fine, okay. So if you are here for the tech, just use it. The tech. Don't come on here and you said you bought 250 coins. That means that you are an investor. So it's a difference between being an investor and just using the tech. Okay. So let's say that you use PayPal. Let's say that you use PayPal and you love PayPal. Okay. If you use PayPal, then you're a PayPal user. That's fine. You can do that. But as soon as, let's say that you want to invest in PayPal, you like the company, you want to invest in it, then that's two separate things, guys. Now you are an investor and you have to understand how investing works. Most people just don't get that. When you invest, you have to understand how investing works. It has nothing to do with the technology. It has nothing to do with the technology. You have to understand it's two separate things. Yes, we all love the technology. That's fine. Okay. Cryptos, yes, we love it. Okay. But when you invest your money, that is a separate thing. Now you have to study and understand how investing works. Because if you don't, you're going to lose your butt. A lot of people that bought at the top, they emailing me and saying, Ben, I'm down 70%, 80%, 50%. And they don't know what to do. And it's because they fell in love with the technology and they invest and they don't think that those are two separate things. They think that buying the technology is just that. No, guys, it's two separate things. When you invest, now you have to learn about investing and how it works. Most people are too lazy to learn about that. So that's why they keep on losing money. month after month. Since January, this thing been going down. Every time that we go up, every time we see a up move, oh guys, we going to the moon. We going to the moon. 10K, 20K, right? But you've been losing money ever since January, guys. I'm not saying that to talk bad on you. I'm not saying that to say that you know, one day cryptocurrencies is not going to reverse and you know, see the highs again. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is, guys, we are in a bear market. If you don't understand what a bear market, go look it up. Go look it up. Okay. So you have to understand this is two different things. So for the people that don't understand how it works, you just have to study the market. When you invest in cryptocurrencies, now you are an investor. You have to understand how investors basically make money, how the market works, how you could continue to make money. Okay. So we talked about before the 5 signs of a rookie investor. Number 1, the 5 signs of a rookie investor is a guy that buys and hold, and that's it. Okay, everybody in a mother knows about buy and hold. Okay, if you talk to your grandmother, if you talk to your great grandmother, they know about buy and holding, right? They know every average Joe knows about buy and holding. So buy and hold is a rookie strategy. You know, can you make money from buying and holding? Yes, but the reason why it's a rookie strategy because it makes you lazy. It doesn't make you want to study the market because you buy it and you look away. You just don't look at the market. You come back, you look at the price, and then you go right back to work. It makes you lazy. The people that are really making money is the people that understand how the market works. So the buy and hold people, they have to wait a lot of times, a lot for their money to come in. Okay, so like I said, the last crash that we had was 2013. It took 5 years to get to the top. How come why do you think that won't happen again? So and the other one is people think that the market will go up forever. Okay, this is why people actually get mad at me when I say, guys, we are in the bear market, and you know, we are in the bear market, and most likely we are going to continue to be in the bear market, right? People actually get mad at me when I say that. And the reason why they get mad is because they don't understand how the market works. They think it goes up forever. They understand that we have down years, okay? So you have people that are long-term investors that are looking for short-term results. So you have investors right now that are long-term investors that are looking for short-term results. And how do I know that? It's because there's no way they should be mad at me when I come on here and say, guys, we are in the bear market and it looks like we're going to continue to go down for the rest of the year. There's no way they should be mad at me because a long-term investor, it just means that, a long-term investor. It means that you are willing to hold for a long time to see profits. So you shouldn't be mad at me when I say, hey guys, it may take years before this thing could go up. If you are a long-term investor, you should expect years, right? You should expect to see your profits in years, not months. This is why I know a lot of people that watch my YouTube channel, they don't understand what's really going on. They are long-term investors that's looking for short-term results, right? So if you want to be a long-term investor and have short-term results, then you are in the wrong game. You should try to become a professional. A professional basically makes money month after month, whether the market goes up or down. That's what you should be looking for. You should be looking at how can I make short-term money? Because the way you're looking at the market right now, you're trying to be a long-term investor, and you're looking for short-term results. That will never work out, ever. So if you want short-term results, then you have to stop being lazy, study the market, figure how it works, and figure out how you can make short-term, profits. That has a short-term profits has nothing to do with being a long-term investor. Those are two separate things. That's why I tell people when I come on here all the time, I tell people to have multiple strategies. Because I know, I can tell that people don't understand how the market works because they want short-term profits. They want to become a millionaire overnight. But you claim that you're a long-term investor, but so if you're a long-term investor, why you get mad when I say, guys, it's a 90% chance we are going to continue to go down for years? You shouldn't get mad because you should expect that. As a long-term investor, you should expect to not get profits for years. That's why me personally, I don't focus on long-term buy and hold strategies because I don't want to wait years for profits. I want to make money right now. This is how it is. Okay, so another sign of a rookie investor is trying to call every bottom. Okay, people have been trying to call the bottom ever since January, right? 7 months straight been trying to call the bottom. Oh, this is the bottom right here, guys. Oh, no, this is the bottom right here. No, this is the bottom right here. No, this is the bottom right here, guys. Right? That's a sign of a rookie investor, someone that doesn't know how things work. And then number 4, a person that doesn't study, right? You don't study. You don't even know how to work. You know, you have Ray that comes on here. Shout out to Ray. I'm not getting on you. I'm not picking on you, Ray. But you have Ray that comes here and say he's here for the technology. And that's full of crap because he wouldn't put his hard-earned money into something that he just loves the technology. You can love the technology from far away, right? You don't have to put money into something that you love. Why would you put all your hard-earned money or most of your hard-earned money into something that you love? You might as well just give away to some people that are starving, right? The people that really need it. There's people out here that's starving that doesn't have any type of food. So give it to those people. But you want to give to a technology that you claim that you believe in, and you wasting your hard-earned money. So and number 5, a sign of a rookie investor is someone that blames everyone else. Right? You come here and people come on my stream and blame me. You can't blame me. I don't control the market. They get mad when I say, guys, we are in a bear market. This thing could continue to go down. How many times you have to see that we have a pullback and next thing you know, sellers come back in. Pull back, 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 sellers come in. So what do you want me to tell you? You want me to lie to you and say, guys, we are going to the moon? Okay, so stop blaming the government. Stop blaming FUD. Stop blaming the news. Stop blaming the wells. Blame yourself. Blame yourself for not knowing what's really going on. Blame that. Blame you, because it's you that's stopping. You are stopping yourself for actually, for making money. So you have to understand that no one can actually help you but you. So if you want to actually become a professional, you have to understand these things right here. So let me go back to this. So if you want to become a professional investor, you have to understand this. Okay, you have to, number 1, you have to understand the trends. Okay, you have to understand how the trends work. Last year we was in the uptrend. Okay, it's just that simple, guys. We are pointing up. Most people just don't understand how trends work. We was in the uptrend last year. Okay, the market was just going up, so you can buy dips. You can buy them, and you can make, you can still make money buying dips. This year, guess what, guys? We are in a downtrend. Okay, this is why most people are losing they hard-earned money because they don't know how to read the market. So we're on a downtrend right now, and that's why it's very good to understand how trends work. Read them, understand how they work. We are going down, guys. You see how this red line is pointing down? Okay, so the force is down. So how I make my money, how a professional makes his money, is basically he goes along with the trend. Okay, number two, you have to learn how to enter the market. Understand what's going on. Because most people, they usually enter when they get hurt. They're trying to enter in places in the market that can actually hurt them and make them lose a lot of money. So you have to understand when to enter in the market. You have to understand the trends. You have to understand how to exit, when to take profits. Most people don't know how to take profits. And that's another bad thing about buying and holding, because like I said, it makes you lazy. Dude, don't you know that some people actually made 6 figures or more during this whole bull run, and I guarantee you they didn't take profits. 100% guarantee you. I was actually listening to a YouTuber. It was today. Yeah, today. I'm not going to say his name. I honestly forgot his name anyway, so it doesn't even matter. He was a little. He sounded a little bit depressed. He said that he made a lot of money, life-changing money, and he didn't take profits. He didn't take no profits. He made life-changing money. And now he's seeing his portfolio basically disappear. So a lot of people that buy and hold, they don't know when to take profits. This is how you actually become a professional investor. Okay, you have to understand when to take profits. I was talking about this in Tron. We was dealing with Tron when Tron had that mainnet situation. Okay, when people was thinking that this thing was going to the moon. You know, I tell you guys, listen, man, you probably want to take profits. They didn't take profits. Now it's back down. And a lot of people are kicking themselves. So in order to be a professional investor, you have to understand the trends, enter the market, how to take profits, how to manage risks, right? You can't manage risks means that you can't just basically go all in on one trade, right? You have to survive. So if you blow your account on one trade, right, then that means you have to start over again, save up money again. And that doesn't just go for trading, that goes for investing too. That's not just trading, that's with investing too. A lot of people put all their all their actually life savings on one coin, and or maybe multiple coins. And if they get wiped out, guess what? They done. This is why I have multiple strategies. This is why I have multiple strategies just in case the market doesn't go my way. I can continue to make money regardless. And then you have number 5. A professional knows how to make money in the bull market and the bear market. Okay. So if you want to become a professional investor, that's how you do it. You can't get attached to the direction of the market. You have to know how to make money, whether the market's going up or going down. It's very hard for people to do that because they've been brainwashed to only think one way. So it's very hard for people to think about that. Oh my gosh, do you mean I have to sell? I have to press the sell button and hope cryptocurrencies goes down? Oh my gosh, I don't think I can do that. So it's very hard for people to do this. So that's why a lot of people can't or will never become a professional. Okay, everything is up for them. They think that the world will just be good forever. Okay, we have the same thing in the stock market. So for the people that think I just think this way with the cryptos, no, I think the same way in the stock market. Okay, I don't think that stock market will always go up forever. I know we're going to have bad times. So I treat crypto just like I treat treat the stock market. So shout out to everybody that's here. Let me go back to the chat room. Let me take a sip real quick. Okay, so let's go back to the chat room. Let me see. So Keith said, get the course. It's all in the videos. He will learn yes. Get this course, MK. It's nothing to think about it. It's nothing to think about, okay? Just get this course. The reason why it's nothing to think about, because this is the price that I'm charging you guys. I should be charging you triple. $400 or $500 for this course. It's nothing to think about. Right now, it's at a 50% discount. When I get off, it's going to be $210. It's nothing to think about. That's if you want to become a professional. I just explained to you guys what a professional, how the professional thinks. If you want to become that guy, that's what you have to do. So let's go back to the chat room. Let's see what's going on. So Ron, let me know if you let me know if you have problems, Ron. So I'm reading these comments. So give me a second, guys. I'm reading these comments. So Big Ben, Zachary said, your thoughts on the Bulls breaking 6,800. We tested 6 times since. I mean, we could break it. Anything is possible. If we break 6,800, it doesn't mean anything though. It just means that we broke 6,800, and we have this resistance line, and we have this resistance line to deal with. Okay, that's what it means. Just because we break that doesn't mean that I'm gonna turn bullish all of a sudden. Let me show you something for you guys that really don't understand how things work. Okay, this is why I follow the major trend. Let's see if I can get this chart up. My computer's a little slow right now. Okay, so let me show you something. I showed you guys this before. I don't know why this thing is so I showed you guys this before. Okay, this is 2013 when we crashed. Okay, we had a triple bottom. We went to the triple bottom. We went up. Look how far we went up, guys. Before we continued to go down. Look how far we went up. Right? We went up. Boom. We hit this resistance line. We went up one more time. We created a double top, and we went back down, okay? And we went all the way back down. We start crashing. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. I follow the major trend. I don't care about pullbacks. I don't care about nothing that. So I told you, if we go to 7,700, I don't care. We still are in the downtrend. Let's go back. A lot of people, Bambino, a lot of people here live in United States. So BitMax, you know the deal with BitMax with the United States, okay? Archive. I'm reading these comments, guys, so give me a second. I'm reading what's going on in the chat room. Okay, let's go. Let's read what's in the chat room. Annette, you don't have to worry about that, Annette. So I'm reading these comments. So let me try to see if I see anything I want to answer real quick. Businessman said Bitcoin bottom is zero. Shout out to businessman. Yes, you can put it $20 above it. Ace. You can do that, Ace. So I'm reading these comments, guys. So give me a second, please. Give me a second. Bear with me. I know some people don't like this when they look at the replay, but it is what it is. I interact with my subscribers. Hey, what's going on, Bruno? What's going on, Bruno? Good to see you here. MK said you legit for sure. So shout out to MK. Thanks a lot. So you said, above the candle or the wick. The wick is attached to the candle, so I still is above the wick. Shout out to Ace. Yeah, it's above the wick, Ace. Above the wick. So let me go back to the let's go back to the chart. So basically right now, like I said, guys, we're waiting for what Bitcoin is going to do. Do I expect an up move from here? It's hard to see an up move. I mean, it's possible. It's possible that, we could get an up move from here, but you do have a bull bar come in, but we will see. Like I said, a double top could be possible, but damn sure it was a lot of resistance right here. And we talked about this before, guys. We talked about this before, that 2 weeks ago, I remember that 7,000 was a key level for me, because we didn't even reach 7,000 2 weeks ago, and then we tried once again. So 7,000 is a key level, and not only that, 300 billion is a key level for me too. 300 billion is a key level for me, because every time we try to go there back 300 billion, we can't make it. So that's what we're looking at right now. So shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks for coming through. Let me look at the chat room. I'm about to get off this chat, but let me see what's going on here. So let me see what's going on. Really nothing's going on right now. So I'm about to probably pack it up. Let you guys get some rest. But for you guys that's trying to buy every little dip, just be careful. That's what I have to say. Don't get excited when you see the bulls come back in, because the bulls been coming back in ever since January. It's just how things work. The market has pullbacks, and it's not a pullback is not considered an uptrend. Okay, let's get that out of the way. When you see the market go up, that's not an uptrend. It's a pullback. We've been having multiple pullbacks, ever since January. So we had small pullbacks, we had big pullbacks. For you guys that want to buy these bottoms, so-called bottoms, just be careful. So let me get out of here. Let's see if I see anybody. Haha. I hear you, man. Yeah, shout out to everybody here. Keith said, MK, you're in the right place. Shout out to Keith. Thanks a lot, Keith. Yeah, so right now, like I said, right now, that's what's pretty much going on with the market. I wish I can give people some good news. Your bulls that's holding. I wish I can give you some good news. Trust me. Because I know a lot of you guys are actually losing hard-earned money. And the other sad thing is you have YouTubers telling you to keep on buying. So I wish I can give you some good news, but what I can tell you is you can have multiple strategies in place, right? Have another strategy in place to make you money while you wait for that bull run to come, because that bull run could come. It could be another 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 years from now. I know you don't believe that, but history basically is telling me that. It took 5 years in the unregulated market. You know this market is about to become regulated. So if you understand how regulated markets work, they are very slow. Very slow. So while you wait for that bull market, you can actually make money now. But that's up to you. That's up to you. I'm about to get out of here. Let's see if I see any. All right, so shout out to Businessman. Let me see if I see any. So Ron said he got it to work. So shout out to Ron. He finally downloaded the course. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. All right. Okay. So Ron finally got this thing to work. Now he gets to download the course, figure out how to make this money. So shout out to Ron, man. I like to see that. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel, Ron. Thanks a lot. But yeah, guys, I'm about to get out of here. I know you guys want to go to sleep because you probably have, probably gotta go to work. So I'm gonna let you guys go. But we will continue to. Well, I will continue to actually keep you guys updated. So good night, guys. Let me see who's in this. Ron 45, MK, Businessman, Keith, Glenn. Everybody that's here. 45. Shout out to 45. Shout out to Crypto Inspo that left the building earlier. Shout out to Ace, of course, MK Kush, Zachary, everybody that's here, man. I can't name everybody, but thanks a lot for supporting the channel. If you got this course, you supporting the channel, so thanks a lot. If you don't have it, I just copy and paste the link. I'm about to get out of here, guys. Basically, like I said before, be careful if you trying to buy these dips. The sellers don't really care about you. I know you care. I know you love the technology, but at the same time, technology and investing is two different things, guys. Okay. These guys will take your money, and they won't say sorry at all. They're not going to say sorry. They're going to take your money, and they're going to continue to take your money if you don't understand what's really going on. So the investing, it has nothing to do with technology. Yes, we all love the technology, but let's be for real, guys. A lot of these coins shouldn't be where they're at right now. So shout out to everybody that's here. I'm about to get out of here. Annette, shout out to Annette. Shout out to Lex. And everybody that's here, man. Glenn, So Black. Good night, everybody. What's going on, Mr. Sandy? Good night. And make sure you study. Make sure that you, just be careful out here, guys. Don't listen to everything these YouTubers say. They're gonna hype things up because that's what YouTube is about, hype. So anyway, let me get out of here and have a good night, and just make sure you study. Talk to you guys later.